Okay, ngayon naman guys, the last for the part, basta puro part 1. Okay, so puro part 1. Okay, so yaman na. Basta this is for the last part ng equilibrium natin. We have the equilibrium of non-concurrent force system naman. Okay, so basically guys, kumbaga, tatlo lang talaga iikutan natin dyan lagi. Okay, this one, the summation forces along the x is equal to 0. Summation of Fy is equal to 0 at saka summation of the summation of moment at a certain point should be equal to 0. Ibig sabihin, at any point, dapat hindi siya iikot and then lahat ng support along the x and y dapat sila ay sila ay equal to 0. Kaya nga equilibrium para ma-maintain that the structure should be in equilibrium. Ang pinakamahalaga lang talaga guys is kung paano nyo i-analyze yung free body diagram, paano kayo magpuputol, paano nyo ilalagay or i-designate yung mga directions ng forces or basta kumbaga paano nyo lang ma-distinguish kung anong type ng support, paano kayo mag-create ng free body diagram, that's a challenge. But the equation, once na na-form nyo na yung free body diagram nyo, na-formulate kayo guys, okay na yun. In this case guys, usually ang unknowns natin, pwede magkaroon tayo dito ng 3 unknowns. Okay, we have dahil meron tayo 3 equations na pagkukunan. We have the summation of forces along x equal to 0 nga, the Fy 0, and then the moment 0. So, technically, we can have 3 unknowns. Okay? Mahalaga guys yung putol-putol. Tandaan nyo yun. Especially, balikan nyo yung mga naka-display kanina kung paano ba nagre-react yung mga elements natin due to the